morning everyone, and welcome to our set 2 speed sound lesson for today. So let's have a look at our sound. Our sound we are going to be learning today is the sound oo. 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 Brilliant. And if I think of some words that have got our sound oo in, I can think of z, oo, zoo. I can think of s, oo, too. Fantastic, well done. Right, let's have a look then at our rhyme that makes up our oo sound. Have a look. Oh, look, you can see this man looks like he works at the zoo. You can see the word elephants up here. He's obviously been cleaning out the elephant enclosure, and I think he has found some poo at the zoo. Poo at the zoo. Poo at the zoo. Brilliant. Right, I wonder if you can think of those two letters that make up our special friend sound oo. Are you ready? It's two O's. O. Two letters, one sound, and when they are together in a word, they make the special friend sound oo. 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 Brilliant. We looked at the sounds earlier in the week, didn't we? We looked at but this is different. We need to then recognise the words that have got the oo sound or the sound in. Fantastic. Right. So this side was oo, and this side was poo at the zoo. Right, let's see if I can catch you out. Off we go. Did I catch you out? I hope so. Right, I'm going to pop our oo sound into our pack of sounds we should already know, and let's see if you can spot it. And if you don't, want to point and shout at the camera, oo. First sound is oo. Cool, that was super quick, wasn't it? Right, I'm going to put our oo sound back in. Are you ready? First sound is oo. Well done. Right, one more time, and it goes. Our first sound is ooh. Fantastic. Well done. Right, I'm going to put our cards down and let's have a look at our words that have got our oo sounds in. Okay, are you ready? Special friends, Fred talk, read the words. So my turn first. Special friends, oo. Fred talk, sp, oo, n. Read the word, spoon. Your turn. Special friends, Fred talk, read the word, moon. Special friends, Fred talk, read the word, mood. Special friends, Fred talk, read the word, fool. Special friends, Fred talk, read the word, pool. Special friends, Fred talk, read the word, stool. Brilliant. Right, this time, Fred in your head. Ready? My turn first. In my head. Spoon. Remember not to read the word until I push the card forward. So your turn, Fred in your head. Moon. Next one. Mood. Fool. Pool. Stool. Brilliant. Right, let's do our speedy reading of our oo sound words. Are we ready? First one is spoon. Your turn. Well done, super. Right, I'm going to pop a couple of our words in from yesterday and let's see if you can read them. Going to have a bit of a clue because yesterday's words were on green card and today's are on yellow. So I'm giving you a day off. This should be nice and easy for you. Right, ready? First one is bar. Car. Park. Well done if you got those, fantastic. Right, let's pop our aliens on then so that we can read some of our alien words. And let's have a look. So special friends, Fred Talk, read the word. My turn first. Special friends, oo, Fred Talk, ook, pluke. Your turn. Special friends, Fred Talk, read the word. Sploot. Special friends, Fred Talk, read the word. Goove. Special friends, Fred Talk, read the word. Boom. Special friends, Fred Talk, read the word. Shoom. Special friends, Fred Talk, read the word. Chuve. Super. Special friends, Fred Talk, read the word. Drood. Special friends, Fred Talk, read the word. Thook. Super. Last one. Special friends, Fred Talk, read the word. Swook. Super. What a load of nonsense. So let's take our aliens off. Ready? Fantastic. Right, we're going to have a go at our spelling then of our oo words. So can you get whatever it is you need to do your spelling with? And hide your Fred fingers from me, please. Right, let's start off. How many sounds are in the word moon? Moon, how many? Show me how many. Good, you should be holding up 3 Fred fingers. Let's pinch the sounds together and write them down. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oo, n. Write it down. Oo, n. Right, you ready? Let's see if we can spell it together. The word moon. First sound in the word moon is Then oo, special friends. Do you remember that was just 2 O's together? Oo. And our last sound in the word moon is a n. Brilliant. So tick for tick for oo, and a tick for n. We need to know how to spell that word at the moment in our writing, don't we? Moon. Well done. Right, next spelling. Hide your Fred fingers from me. Which one shall we do next? Yes, do that one. How many sounds are in the word stool? How many are there? Show me how many. Good, you should have 4 Fred fingers held up. So let's pinch the sounds together and write them down. Ready? 1, 2, 3. S, t, oo, ul. S, t, oo, ul. Right, shall we have a go at writing our word stool together then? Ready? Write the word stool. First sound is a s. Then we've got stool with a t, the next sound. Then it's our oo sound, 2 O's together. And the last sound in the word stool is a ul. So tick for t, tick for oo, and a tick for ul. We have to tweak it a little bit, don't we? Stool. We need to tweak it a bit, so we say stool. We're sitting on a stool. Well done if you got all those right. Fantastic. Right, let's have a go then at our words that have got our review sounds in from yesterday. So hide your Fred fingers from me. How many sounds are in the word park? How many in park? Show me how many. You should have 3 Fred fingers held up. Let's pinch the sounds together and write them down. Just notice I've already got pen on my hands and it's only 10 o'clock. Right, you ready? 1, 2, 3. P, R, K. Write it down. P, R, K. Right, should we have a go at writing the word park down then together? Ready? Did you remember our sound from yesterday? Let's see. So for park, got first sound is P, P. Then R. So our special friend from yesterday. Do you remember it was an A and an R for R, start the car. And the last sound in park is a K, and it's our talk. So tick for P, tick for R, and a tick for K. Well done if you got that one right, because you've got to remember our sound from yesterday and to put the right K at the end. So well done if you did that. Doesn't look quite like mine, just tweak it now so that it does, you remember for next time. Right, last spelling of the day. Hide your Fred fingers from me. How many sounds are in the word star? How many sounds are in the word star? Show me how many. You should be holding up 3 Fred fingers. Right, let's pinch the sounds together and write them down for the word star. 1, 2, 3. S, t, R. S, t, R. Right, should we have a go together? You ready? First sound in star is S. Then we've got S. And then our special friend sounds R, an A and an R. Brilliant. Tick for S, tick for T, and a tick for R. Well done if you got all 4 of those. Superstars. Right, today I think let's give ourselves a catch-up clap, shall we? Super. Right, now you can log on to the Oxford Owl website and choose the book that's right for your colour, and then do your reading. I will see you tomorrow for more speed sounds. Bye.